Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of AI-powered chatbots. Here is the list of AI chatbot assistant tools which are useful to you. 1. ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI language model created by OpenAI and have been designed to generate human-like responses to various prompts. As a language model, ChatGPT is capable of understanding and generating human language, allowing to engage in conversations, answer questions, provide explanations, and more. 2. Bing. Microsoft Bing is an AI-powered search engine that helps you turn information into action, making it faster and easier to go from searching to doing. Microsoft Bing can understand and communicate fluently in the user's input language and provide additional relevant details to respond thoroughly and comprehensively to cover multiple aspects. 3. Jasper. This is a highly recommended AI chatbot for businesses and marketers. Jasper AI is an AI writing tool that uses artificial intelligence to write content for you. It's incredibly helpful, as long as you spend some time learning how it works. Jasper is the best AI writer and AI art generator for teams with over 3,000 5-star reviews. 4. Chat by Copyai. Copyai is an AI assistant created by Anthropic to help you find information by writing search queries based on your instructions. Copyai is capable of a wide variety of conversational and text processing tasks while maintaining a high degree of reliability and predictability. 5. Xenochat. This is a sales and marketing-focused chatbot with lot of inbuilt templates. Xenochat can handle a diverse range of internet text and computer code to generate human-like responses to prompts given to it. It can respond to questions, provide information, write stories, summarize passages, perform simple arithmetic calculations, write code in all computer programming languages, and also can browse the internet in real time. 6. Personal AI. This chatbot is great for personal coaching. Personal AI is an advanced technology that uses artificial intelligence algorithms to understand and respond to human conversations. It works by analyzing the context and content of the conversation, learning from previous interactions, and generating personalized responses. This allows it to streamline conversations by automatically drafting responses based on the information it has learned. It's like having a virtual assistant that can assist you in various tasks and make your life easier. 7. Koala Chat. This chatbot is another strong option for content writing. Koala Chat is designed to understand and respond to natural language queries and conversations in various domains and use a deep learning algorithm to analyze and understand the context of the input and generate relevant responses. Koala Chat can provide information, answer questions, and engage in casual conversations to assist and entertain users. 8. ChatSpot. This chatbot is recommended for personal messaging. ChatSpot is an AI assistant designed to help users interact with and assist you with any questions or tasks you may have. 9. Bard. This AI chatbot is another alternative to ChatGPT. Bard is still under development, but it has learned to perform many kinds of tasks such as following your instructions and completing your requests thoughtfully. Using its knowledge to answer your questions in a comprehensive and informative way, even if they are open-ended, challenging, or strange. 10. Tidio Plus. This AI tool is best suited for customer support for any business and automated sales chat with connected e-commerce stores. 11. AI Lawyer. AI Lawyer is an AI language model can generate human-like responses to various prompts to assist users in generating helpful and informative content, answering questions, and engaging in conversations. AI Lawyer can provide information on a wide range of topics and help with tasks such as writing, brainstorming, and problem-solving. ManyChat. ManyChat is an all-in-one platform that provides chatbots for Facebook Messenger, other popular social media apps, and e-commerce platforms. It is widely known as the best chatbot provider for Facebook Messenger. ManyChat helps users carry out ad campaigns and provide superior customer support. It automates getting and keeping customers happy, so you have more time for everything else. ManyChat also allows you to go omni-channel and combine SMS with Instagram DMs or Facebook Messenger to continue the conversation beyond social. And there you have it, folks, a glimpse into the world of some useful AI chatbot tools. Whether you're a business owner, a developer, or simply curious about chatbots, these tools can help you create intelligent and interactive conversational experiences. Remember to explore each tool's features, pricing, and customer reviews to find the one that best suits your needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you in the next video.